So, last session, nalagay ko na lahat ng ingredients. Nalagay ko na yung suka, yung soy sauce, and yung teriyaki triple ginger. Well, ang sikreto ko sa pagluluto kasi, pag maglalagay ka ng, let's say, maglalagay ka ng suka or maglalagay ka ng toyo, maglagay ka lang ng paunti-unti, little by little. And then, every time you add up something, you taste it. Always, rule number 47, taste your food. Taste your cook before you serve it. Rule number 47 yan. Para, syempre, para alam mo kung masarap siya. You have to try it yourself before you give it to other people. Well, as you can see, ito na siya, yung finished product. Finished product. So, yan. Andyan na yung karne, yung potato. And then, tikman natin. And then, pag nalagay mo nyo silang lahat, then hihinaan mo na yung apoy. Kasi, baka maiga. So, tikman natin. Tikman natin kung masarap. Damn! Chamba! So, there you go. That's it. That's how you do it. Adobo mala Russell style. See you soon.